Are in full swing now. People are taking time to explore the great outdoors, and that's where we find our next guest who can help us out. Nisha outside with Parris RV, and I see you're standing next to some fabulous,
Saray, you are going to love this. I know you like to get out with your family. I'm with Brett Parris from Parris RV, and this is a rugged travel trailer. I mean, this can go over pretty much anything, Brett.
Yeah, you know, this is designed to go in the backcountry, drag it over rocks, go down through the river. I mean, we're talking about an extreme off-road trailer. What we're looking at here is a 2021 Black Series. This particular model is called an HQ19. It's got a real nice queen bed in the front, side dinette, large bath in the back. But what makes this thing so unique, and I have a lot of RVs, you know that.
You do, you're packed, your lot's packed.
Yeah, I got a ton of different brands, ton of different RVs, and this one is an extreme off-road trailer, and I have a hard time even saying that word so many times, extreme, because it is crazy. It's got fully independent suspension, off-road, coil springs, dual shocks. It's even got rock sliders on the side, so that when you're going over rocks, these you can crush these things, replace them, but that keeps from doing damage to the body of the trailer. Great big off-road wheels and tires.
Look at those wheels and tires.
Yeah, and again, coil springs, dual shocks, independent suspension.
Brett, you pulled up to the station and people did a low whistle, like, whoa,
yeah, no,
look at that guy. I mean,
yeah,
it is sweet.
Yeah, this is a very special trailer, super cool. It even comes with 2 spare tires on the back, so you know what, if you blow one of these things on a rock or something, no problem.
Can I walk in and see what's inside while you keep talking?
Check out that stainless steel kitchen. It's got a huge outdoor stainless kitchen, which I absolutely love.
And it's actually nice inside. I mean, we say the word rugged, but this is traveling in style inside.
Yeah, again, this is just, you can take this thing in the backcountry, get out in remote places, get away from everybody. And, I don't know about you, but that's kind of what I like to do. I don't want to be in a campground with a bunch of people or road camping on the side. You can take this thing in the backcountry and go anywhere you want. Super cool.
Look at that sink. I know I'm looking at things that maybe people don't care about, but I love that. It's so modern and sleek in here.
Well, you got a great big bathroom in the back with a huge shower, big sink. You've even got a washing machine back there for your clothes.
Is that a washing machine?
That's a washing machine.
All right, Thomas is getting close to it so you all can see what
machine.
You can even wash your clothes in here.
I love the big inside kitchen, which is nice. So you really have 2 great places to cook. It doesn't matter if you're inside or out, but I do love that outside cooking. But let me tell you real quick about some of the stuff it has.
Okay.
It has 600 watts worth of solar on the top, and maybe you're thinking, what is that? I mean, that's just an extreme amount of solar, again, because we go in the backcountry with this thing. It's got 4 AGM batteries on board ready to go to store all that power from the solar. It's got a 2,000 watt inverter that peaks at 3,000 watts, so you can invert off of those 4 AGM batteries and run the trailer without having electricity. It's got a full one-piece galvanized frame, again, so if you go over rocks, you don't break your frame. Just super cool, super extreme.
Brett, I've asked you this before. Share it with our viewers. When is the perfect time to buy something like this? Is it in the middle of summer? Should you wait till the end of summer? What do you think?
Right now the thing of it is just whenever you can find one, because the supply chain has been so complicated and difficult. And, if you see one you like, I mean, the best thing to do is get it because, you might go months before you see another one.
So if our viewers see this one and they want it, what should they do?
Buy it. Yeah, get it. Take your family. I mean, we got a lot of good summer camping left.
Oh, the 24th is coming up. We still got Labor Day and then fall break. A lot of things happening. And Parris RV has just what you need. If it's not this one, I promise you, they will find you one that works for your family. Should people come in Murray or go to your website?
Website's a great way to shop, ParrisRV.com, where we have both locations have this in Murray, 5545 South State or 4360 South State.
Brett, good to see you. Saray, let's go camping. Back inside.
Let's go. I love how you say rugged, and there's a washer, and there's a porcelain sink. All right, I'm in. We have more dish to come back. Daily Dish is back after this.